My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix accept ratio issues in the Grok AI. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, like your accept ratio is not up to your need, so guys, to fix this, first of all guys, like when you generate the image, so guys, here you see that I'm create on the option of image, and when you enter your prompts, and guys, here you see there is a accept ratio option. When you click it, so guys, make it you select on your preferred window. Okay, now you have the various options, so you choose any of them, then you enter the prompts, and guys, select the images. Okay, and guys, same for the videos. When you creating the videos, so you just click here, and guys, again the accept ratio is open, and you select it. Okay, and here you choose the durations. So this is the way that you can fix your accept ratio by 6:9 images and for videos. Still having the issue, like it not count accept ratio from here, so guys, you simply put the ratio in your prompts. Like for example, create an image the man is walking with the dog, and make sure it accept ratio is 16:9. Okay, so this is the way guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.